Hello and hi everyone. Good evening all of you. Hope all of you are doing good. This video is with reference to the Google form that all of you have submitted. We have received almost 220 queries on the forms that you have submitted. So I'll be answering some of the most frequently asked questions from of the fertility community members, and slowly all the questions will be answered. Now, I have listed some of the few important questions which will be highly beneficial for everyone in the fertility community. Like the first and the foremost question is, many of them were telling about the flow is very less. Like few of you have followed all the free fertility tips that we posted in the group, and you have attended the 5 days WhatsApp class and all that, and you have regulated it to a certain extent, but then the flow is very less. Now why? The physical activity in your body is very less. That is the reason, because it could be of two important reasons. Either there could be lack of hemoglobin, which is not giving you that real push of giving you that proper flow, or so hemoglobin level is very low, or it could be due to the lack of physical activity. So the first advice I would tell you is, please go and do a hemoglobin test. Just go to the lab nearby and take a hemoglobin test and see what is the hemoglobin. If it is somewhere by 9, 8, 7 and all that, I'm 200% sure that the flow will definitely be very less. Even 10.7, 11 is good, but without adequate physical activity inside the body will not really have that push to send all this bad blood outside, or the immature egg outside your body. So first and the foremost thing is, go and do a hemoglobin test, because few of you were also mentioning there is there any ways of increasing the hemoglobin content in the body, because the HB level, like you are already anemic and all that. So the easiest way to increase your HB level is the soaked raisins. I've spoken enough about the soaked raisins in the previous videos. As I always tell, soak at least 10 to 15 red or that black raisins in water the previous night, and then let it soak it well. So the next day morning, as you brush your teeth on the empty stomach, drink that water, soaked raisins water, and then eat all the soaked raisins. This is such an easiest tip, because so many of my community member have got benefited out of it, because it's the easiest way to increase the HB level. And once when you do it within a span of 10 days, you will start seeing the glow in your face, you will start seeing the energy that you have for the day and all that. So I have experienced it personally so many times for so many different health issues that have occurred. So I've perfectly come out of all that. So soaked raisins is the best methodology to increase your HB level. Other than that, guava fruit is one fruit which will also help you, and more of green leafy vegetables, more of cereals is one thing. Very on a very fast way you will be able to do this. Within a span of 21 days to 30 days, you will be able to see a result on your HB level report. So in that way, this is the most biggest easiest tip to increase your HB level, and also to increase your flow, because if the hemoglobin level is very poor, then the flow will definitely be less. So go and increase your hemoglobin level, so that automatically flow will be high. But even when you are having a hemoglobin level of 12.5, 13, 14 and all that, even if after that you don't have the proper flow or during your periods, then it means that there is no adequate physical activity in your body. Like I have also personally undergone, and also like many of the case studies we have seen, they do walking, they do walk on treadmill, they do walk on outside streets, they wear beautiful shoes, and they does everything, but then still then the flow is less, which means the uterus activity or the lower abdominal part is not having enough activity. Walking or doing exercises on your gym and all that, maybe it is giving a lot of exercises to the upper body and the lower body, and not on the middle area. So all those uterus isolated positioning, those areas should really be activated properly. And only then you will be able to get that proper flow. So mandatory physical activity which will concentrate on the uterus area of your body is very, very important. In that way you will be able to get a proper flow. I hope this will be of high use to you, and I'll meet you on the next question. Bye bye, take care.